Oh, hi everyone, it's Dave Godfrey here from Number Fun with another Number Fun assembly.
And me.
Oh yeah, and Henry as well. In fact, I brought Henry because a few years ago I had a terrible day.
You lost me.
I did, in fact, I lost Henry. He fell off the roof of my car and we ended up hunting everywhere.
It was painful.
It was painful for you, but it was painful for me because I couldn't find him. We looked higher and lower all over the place. Eventually, we found that you'd been handed into the police.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, well actually it was really good. So I did find him. And you know, 2,000 years ago, Jesus was telling stories. He was a master storyteller and he told stories about losing things. Here's one about a woman who had 10 coins. There once was a woman. Yes, Roberto, that's you. You'll have to pretend to be a woman. Hey, there once was a woman, and she was no ordinary woman. This woman was special because it was her birthday. She got dressed up in her chef costume, ready for her birthday party. 2 of her friends came round to help her celebrate, and they ended up having a great time. Towards the end of the party, they found themselves dancing a version of the Macarena. When they finished dancing, everyone felt exhausted, and seeing as it was getting late, the woman's friends said goodbye and headed home. Eventually, the woman sat down on her stool. She took 2 deep breaths, said a quick thank you prayer for a great day, and fell asleep. As soon as she'd fallen asleep, however, she woke up again and shouted, "My coin!" You see, the woman had only received 1 present for her birthday, but all her friends and her family had helped her buy it, and it was an extremely precious, big gold coin. Over the years, she'd very carefully collected 9 super precious gold coins, and this one made it 10, and her set was complete. She felt really, really happy. At the beginning of the party, she'd managed to pop the new coin in her special tin, and now she thought she'd just check that they were all there. She counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. They were all there. As soon as she finished counting, she felt really, really tired. She gave a big yawn and placed her tin carefully down on the floor and fell asleep. The next morning, after a lovely dream about bananas, sheep and chocolate biscuits, she woke up and had a very big stretch. Spotting her tin on the floor, she thought she'd just count her coins 1 more time before she made her breakfast. So she counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and oh no! There was no 10. She'd lost 1. Something had gone terribly wrong. She only had 9 coins. 1 was definitely missing. The woman grabbed her broom and started searching desperately around her house for the lost coin. She searched higher, lower, over and under. She searched in things, underneath things. She searched everywhere. She turned her house upside down. Then eventually she collapsed in a sad old heap back down on her chair. She was exhausted and couldn't think of anywhere else to look. She felt awful inside. It was as though her tummy was aching with worry. You see, the woman wasn't really very rich at all. In fact, the gold coins she had were the only precious thing she owned, and she'd managed to lose one. Soon a tear began to trickle down her face. Then, suddenly, out of the corner of her eye, she spotted something twinkling. A sort of Goldie-type twinkle. She began to make her way towards the twinkle, and yes, oh what joy! It was her missing coin. Oh, how fantastic, she thought. I've found my missing coin. Way! She didn't have a clue how the coin ended up there. But she was so excited that she quickly called her two friends around to celebrate. The woman told them the story and how she discovered one of her precious coins was missing, and then after a massive search she'd found it. And she counted again with them to prove that she still had 10 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey! The woman's friends were delighted, and they decided to have some extra special celebration time. In fact, they invited all their friends to join the party, and that means you lot who are watching this video. Can you stand up and be ready to do the Macarena? That's what they did. When the music went on, everyone danced the Macarena and celebrated the finding of the lost coin. So that was a really cool story. I loved it. Oh, I'm glad you liked it, Henry. You know, the woman in the story was really excited when she found her lost coin. I wonder why she was so excited. I know. What, shh, for a minute. So why don't you pause the video and have a think about that. Why was the woman so excited when she found her lost coin?
I know.
Hold on, you know why.
Yeah.
Why was the woman so excited when she found her lost coin then?
Precious.
That's right. It's because the coin was just so precious. It's the only valuable thing she had was her coins, and then she managed to find one.
It's about people.
Well, actually, Jesus told the story really to show the people around him how precious they were. So the story really was about people, and people really are precious, aren't they?
Need to go.
Yeah, it's time to go. We'll be back soon. In fact, next time I've got a really cool game show for you about losing things.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon.